right, boys and girls, names should be on your papers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to see the letter. You repeat. Tell me what the letter is. Write it down. Are you ready? E. Repeat. Number 2. Number 3. A. It's not a race. Number 4. M. Number 5. Number 6. O. Number 7. Z. Number 8. What kind of SH? Thank you. Number 9. F. Number 10. What? Number 11. N. Number 12. Ooh. Number 13. 14.
K, comma, C.
K, comma, C.
2 lines.
Final
Diagram.
digraph CK. Good job. Final digraph CK. Number 15. Yup. Number 16. Digraph PH voiced, right? Cross it out. Number 17. It. Number 18. A. Number 19. B. Number 20. Up. 21. J. 22. I. 23. Off. 24. Yeah, it has a breathe on top. It's right on top of it. 25. 26. G. 27. U. 28. D. 29. 30. 31. No, listen. Digraph PH. Not voiced. No, you know that I'm going on. 32. And 33.
Yes, we did.
Yep.
G is all the way under.
Number 1 for your review word. Sound it out. Here's the word. Repeat. Pick. Number 3. Broth. Like broth from your chicken noodle soup. Broth. Broth. Just wait for sight words and then you'll have your sentences.
Are you ready for second? What was number 2?
Crush.
We do new words now.
Okay, voices up. Number 4. Sight word said. Remember, if you just don't know how to spell it, I will give it to you later. Number 5.
Said.
Sight word some. Some. I want some cookies. That'll work. And number 6. The. Okay, here are your words. Hit. With a CK at the end.
I don't have any facial brush. So this one. Okay.
Echo these words and listen to the initial position. Chris.
Chris.
Chrome.
Crown.
Chorus.
Horse.
What do you hear at the initial position? Anthony.
Cur.
You hear, right? Okay. Look at these words and see what's making the sound. What letters are making the sound in those words? Everyone? Okay, let's try that again. What letters are making the initial sound in those words? C and H. Does anyone know what CH would be called?
Diagram.
Thank you for raising your hand. Digraph. Why? Why would that be called digraph?
Because there's 2 letters and they make one sound.
Yes, 2 letters that are coming together to make one sound. Do you remember what the English pronunciation of the digraph CH is? Usually it says what? CH. What was the other thing that it says? Okay. So, is the English pronunciation of digraph CH. Is the Greek pronunciation of digraph CH. We won't have many words which the digraph CH makes this sound, but you need to be aware that the digraphs can make the sound and the ch sound. Okay? Okay. So, just look at this word right here. Okay? Who can tell me how to code this word? Anthony, what's one thing?
I'm just asking what chorus means.
That's like choir. If you're in a chorus, you're in a group of singing people. Okay, but that is not what I asked. I'm asking you to please code this word. So, breathe on the I. Anybody else? Vivian? Okay. Yes. Because it says you're going to put a K back on the C, but what else? Underline CH because it is a digraph. Okay. Whenever we code digraph CH that sounds like the K, we also cross out the H because it does not make any sound. Okay. Who remembers what we call letters that don't make any sound? What do we call them, Hudson? Close. We do say ghost letters on some things, but I call them silent letters. Okay? Silent letters. Now, by looking at this word, seeing that we make a K back on it, it means the C says, crossing out the H means there's no sound, right? So we're sounding it. Let's, everybody's eyes up here. Hudson. Everybody's eyes up here. Is. Chris. Okay? Now, echo these words. And listen to the initial sound. Chef. Charade. Chiffon. What sound do you hear the initial position? Look at these words and see what's making that sound. Okay, what's making the sh sound, boys and girls? That's correct. Digraph CH also makes the sh sound. SH, or the sh sound, is the French pronunciation of CH. We won't have many words with this digraph either, but you still need to be aware that it could make this sound. Okay. Boys and girls, let's code this word right here. How do I code it? Emma, what's one thing I would do?
Push it back on the seat.
Does it say K? Okay, so how are you going to code the E? Breathe on the E. Oh.
It's like a Y.
Breathe on the E. Okay. What else? Underline the CH. Okay, now, boys and girls, whenever we code digraph CH that sounds like sh, we code the C with a cedilla. Okay, a cedilla, listen, is the mark cedilla makes a C look like an S. And we use it whenever the letter C acts like an S. So let me show you. Okay, a cedilla kind of goes down and around. You see how it kind of almost makes it look like an S?
Yeah, like a little Y. It looks like a 5 without its hat.
Almost, yeah. It looks like a little 5 without a hat. Good idea. Little 5 without a hat. Okay, now, if this was an S, it would make more sense to us. F, right? But it says it's a C. So we're making the cedilla on there to make it sound like, so that it sounds like an S. And then coding the rest of them. Does that make sense?
We want the cedilla and
Good. Okay, before you start, looking at number 2, you can pronounce that word as shaps or chaps. They want you today, for coding purposes, to pronounce it as shaps. Does anyone know what shaps are?
Nope.
They are heavy leather leggings without a seat worn by cowboys over their pants to protect their legs.
Oh, I know what these are.
Okay,
I have.
so, boys and girls,
Me too.
if we were coding this word, how it said shaps, how would I code that? Underline it. What else?
Cedilla.
Cedilla on the C. Okay? Don't forget that. And then you have more to code, but